Hey everyone, Jake here. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your dehumidifier with a pump and a safety switch to get that water pumped up out of your house. You can stop carrying those buckets to the sink. In addition to the dehumidifier, you'll need either a section of garden hose or a garden hose to 1/2-inch adapter, hose clamp, and 1/2-inch vinyl tubing. Then you'll need your pump, more 1/2-inch tubing, another hose clamp. This is a relay from Data Loggers. For the relay, you'll need a DC power source. I just use an old DC adapter. At some point, you want to transition from the vinyl tubing, so you need another hose clamp, 1/2-inch vinyl tubing to threaded adapter. This elbow is 1/2-inch PVC threaded to slip fitting, and 1/2-inch PVC pipe. You'll also need additional 1/2-inch PVC elbows. So here I like to use the clear vinyl tubing. You can easily see if there's any clogs starting to form in that tube. The end of that vinyl tubing goes into the pump. Then at the output for the pump, I have the vinyl tubing connected here. Follow it up. Connect it however you need to. I use some zip ties here. Your transition to the PVC pipe. I have it running up on top of the foundation wall there. Then here is where I transition outside, drill a hole straight through. Can use some caulking to seal that off, and that goes straight down from there to the gutter downspout. We'll talk about the safety features. You know, if this tube here clogs, the dehumidifier is instead going to fill up the bucket and it will power itself off if that gets full. Now, if there's a problem with the pump, you're going to end up overflowing right here, and you don't want that to happen. The pump has a built-in float switch, and that's why we have this relay here. I have the dehumidifier plugged in to the normally on location on the relay. The relay stays powered all the time. Here I have the DC adapter. Comes right here. I have the positive connected to the positive over the relay terminal. Negative goes to the float switch, and then the other side of the float switch goes to the negative on the relay terminal. So now when that float switch goes up, when the water level gets too high and it's not pumping, it's going to close the circuit and it's going to shut off the dehumidifier. All right, I've got the dehumidifier running. I'll demonstrate the float switches on the pump. The large one here is for the pump to run. And the small one in the back, if you can see that, that's the safety switch for the shutoff. And there you go, shuts off the dehumidifier. Such an easy step that everyone forgets, this relay switch. If your pump has a problem and it's going to overflow and spill into the floor, this relay will save you from that. Automatically switch off your dehumidifier. It's only $20, definitely get it. And these DC adapters, you have that left over from your old electronics and whatnot. This whole setup and installation, have it done in less than a day, and you're all set. You're all good to go.